Stayed up so long I thought I would go blind. You don't believe a single word that I'm saying.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel, All Things Logic. I'm Jeremy Hawes. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to use Logic Pro's Project Alternatives. This is sick, man. I use this every single day. This is one of my favorite features. That and crossfade and everything. But yeah, I use this and crossfade like every single day. Crossfade's sick. I have another video if you want to check that out. It's just a great way to blend your tracks and stuff. Anyways, so but Project Alternatives it's a great way to, like, if you want to edit your stuff, your song, and you don't want to like screw it up in you're worried you're gonna edit it and then you're not gonna be able to fix it because you get farther down the line, you do some saving, you save it and stuff like that, then it's stuck like that, and like at least in GarageBand. And if you're not using Project Alternatives, and in GarageBand and stuff like that, you'd have to basically save another whole nother song and all that memory, or you might have been doing that in Logic now. So here you can with Project Alternatives, you can basically, it does that. It's a whole nother song, but it's the same song, or it's a whole nother project, but it's the same project, and it doesn't take up a lot of space. I don't know if that made any sense or anything, but I'm gonna show you guys how to use it right now. Okay, it's sick, and you can like switch back and forth real quick in between those projects. So you can go right back to the project if you don't like what you did, you can go back and to the original project like that. So without further ado, let's get started. Woo! So this is a song I've been using in my last couple videos. It's called All Bets Are Off. It's like a punk rock song, kind of, and it's not finished. I just, I got a session drummer, I got drums, bass, I got some guitars. Okay, don't have vocals yet, but anyways, so I just want to show you guys. I'm gonna use this song to show you guys how to use Project Alternatives, because I actually used it on the song, like I think a couple times now. So, and I'm on the second Project Alternative. So anyways, so okay, so watch. This is crazy. So here's let me put on my headphones. Don't really need to put these on much, but let's just put them on anyways, because I do want to hear this. Here, check out this song real quick. Okay, enough of that. Okay, so say I'm like, okay, cool, it's great, but I wanna chop up the guitars, or chop up the bass, or chop up the drums, because they're obviously not finished yet. So let's go with the drums. We'll chop up the drums. Let's do that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go up to File here, and we're gonna go down to Project Alternatives. Okay, and we're gonna go down here. You can see these are the new alternatives: Edit Alternatives, Export Alternatives as Project. Right here, I've already got three separate project alternatives that I've already done, and like the first one was, and you can see I have a second one that's slower tempo, and then slower tempo 130. Okay, so like I wanted to slow the song down a little bit. So so you can go to these anytime you want and go back to the original song. Like watch this. I'll do the first song. Change it. Nope, I don't want to see it. There, that was the first original project. Okay, so here we go. And it was 132. I wanted one at 130. Not much difference, but I can tell a little bit. Okay, so what I did is what, and this is how you make it. Let me show it real quick. We'll go to Project Alternatives, and we'll go down, and I'll show you how the second one real quick. Okay, you can see it's real. Whoa, where is everything? Yeah, okay, it's all muted. All right, hold on, guys. All right, let's make this like this. Wham! Oh yeah, see, so my guitars. So what I did is I wiped, because I slowed down, or I slowed it down even more. You can see my tempo here is 128. It's too slow. But what I did is I got rid of all my guitars, but I wanted to save them just in case with that first project I just showed you. And I got rid of them so I could slow it down. And I started laying down a bass track. I'll show you real quick. Okay, and I even have different drums on there. I have Detroit drums instead of East Bay drums, drum kit. Okay, so you can hear the difference. So then I was like, that's too slow. So I went up to 130 now. Okay, so that's what I did right here. I'm gonna go back to Project Alternatives. I'm gonna go down here and go to my final one that I've been working on. And I don't want to say that. All right. cool. So this is my final project that I'm working on, Project Alternatives. This is the speed I like, 130 tempo, and I like these East Bay drums right here. And then I re-recorded the guitars completely, you know, just to match the speed and stuff. You can actually, there's a way to actually speed up your guitars and stuff, but it's a more in-depth video. I'll do that some other time. Flex pitch, that kind of stuff. So, anyways, pretty freaking cool, huh? So it's all the same projects. You're not wasting all that memory. It's crazy. Now I'm going to show you now how you actually make a project alternative. So we're going to make our own project alternative. I'll chop it up a little bit. So we're going to go to File. We're going to go down to Project Alternatives. We're going to choose New Alternatives. Bam, and then you're going to change the name, okay, to for that certain project alternative, okay. So we'll just call this. We'll call this video, you know, Logic video. Logic video. Video. There you go. Cool. And we'll do that right there. Bam. There it is. Okay. So you'll see now. Let me go to Project Alternatives. We're on that one right there. Okay. So we're on the next one. It's pretty sick. This is crazy. I love this. I love this shit. So okay. So now I can just go chop everything up, and let me just, you know, throw this around. Stick this over here, get rid of this, cut this, screw this up, throw this, you know, cut this up into pieces. I don't really need to do all this, but, you know, you get the idea. I can just go thrash this whole thing. But so now we got a screwed up project. Or a better project, whatever you're wanting to do. So and so now I'm not going to save this because it's just an extra one I don't need, but we've got it here. So we're going to go back here, and I'm going to say I don't like this. I'm going to go back to the one I was working on. Voila. No, I'm not going to save this. But if you wanted to save it, you could save it and it would save it there, because I didn't save it, so it won't be there now. See, oh, it is there. Oh, well, once we close it down, it won't be there anymore. All right, so cool. So there we are. We're back to the original project. Sick, huh? Anyways, I could listen to that all day. It's a lot of fun. All right, guys. So that's all bets are off. Check it out. It'll be coming out soon. So yeah, don't steal it. Anyways, just kidding. It's all good. I'll just write another one. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope it was helpful. I'm Jeremy Haas. I'll see you guys on the flip side. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. That leaves it wide open. Woohoo! See you guys. You guys are awesome. Thanks for watching.
And I don't believe a single word that you're saying. Look on my face, you know that I ain't playing.